and KVS Innovation and Experimentation Award. Srimati S. Kalyani PRT, a sincere and a senior teacher, was awarded KVS National Innovation and Experimentation Award. Shri W.S. Balasubramaniam, TGT Bass. He got National Best Teacher Award from All India Ramanujam Club, and he got a memento, a certificate and a cash prize from 3,000 from KRWF. A seasoned and senior successful principal whose contribution takes our Vidyalaya to its height, which is incredible and invincible, will receive KVS Regional Incentive Award and a cash prize of rupees 3,000 from KRWF is Sri P.C. Raju, principal of this Vidyalaya. Let us give a big hand for him. Thank you very much, sir.
Indeed, it is a matter of pride, our heads held so high that today our feet does not touch the land. I'm sure all our hearts are dancing with a lot of pride and privilege that we have had today. First of all, we raise our hands to the Almighty and thank Him for all that He has given us. Next, of course, nothing comes from the blue. It is all the diligence, the persistence, the perseverance, the determination, the sincerity and responsibility that we have here, a galaxy of stars, both students and teachers. Once again, I request one and all to applaud loudly for this award winners, both students and teachers. School clap, go! Louder still, please. Louder. We are constituted so that the simple act of kindness, such as expressing gratitude, have positive effects on us and our long-term moods. The key to happy life is a life with sustained relationship. May I now request Honorable Principal Sir, Sri P.C. Raju, to adorn the Chief Guest and Madam Vidula Rao, the better half of the Chief Guest, with shawls and offer them a small token of love and gratitude from KVRWF family. Please give them a loud hand of applause. Please give them a loud hand of applause. Please do not be miserly while applauding is concerned. Please applaud them. This is only a small token of love from our KVRWF family. So, ma'am, I hope you will accept this. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I now request Honorable Principal Sir to accolade the guest of honor with a shawl and a small token of love. The guest of honor today is Sri Y.G. Patil, Principal KVAFS, Yelahanka. Please give him a loud round of applause too. A very small token of love, sir. We request you to accept it. Thank you, sirs. Thank you very much. I look around and am in awe with collective expertise gathered here. This evening, we do have shining stars on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite Honorable Guest of Honor, Sri Y.G. Patil, Principal KVAFS Yelahanka, to address this benign gathering. Sri Patil sir, would you kindly come up and address the gathering?
Thank you, madam. Good evening to one and all present here. Most honorable chief guest of the day, Sri K. Vinayak Rao, Chairman, Vidyalaya Management Committee, Kendriya Vidyalaya RW Yelahanka, and special guest, Madam Vidula Rao, Venue Principal, Sri P. C. Raju, members of the Vidyalaya Management Committee, other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. It is really a great pleasure for me to be a part of this annual day celebration of this Kendriya Vidyalaya RWF Yelahanka. Dear friends, it is everybody's dream to study in the Kendriya Vidyalaya as a student, because it is one of the pace-setting institution where the main motto is the all-round development of the child. That means each child will get an opportunity to flourish in all the areas. Usually we are concentrating on the areas like academics, but we are neglecting the areas like the co-curricular activities, sports and other areas. But there are a talented student. They really require a kind of appreciation, recognition. So that is why curriculum of this Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has framed to give a scope in all the areas of the child, so that the child can flourish and they can do well and they can live happily in the present society. So it is everybody's duty to honor and respect their talent and their work. So that is why in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, two important celebrations we are going to have it. One is the Sports Day celebration, another one is the Annual Day celebration. These are the two celebrations comes in the month of November and December. So it is a great opportunities for the students to show their even talent and to get an appreciation. So on this important occasion, by seeing the list of students, those who have been honored by awarding the cashes and also the certificates in the field of academics and in this field of co-curricular activities. So on my own behalf, on behalf of everyone, I congratulate all these prize winners, and I hope in future they may do well and it will be a stepping stone for them. My sincere suggestions to them is not to stop their practices in the present scenario. They have to continue the practice. That will help them to flourish. Once if they do a practice, then automatically the performance will come. Do a hard work. So if you are doing a hard work, then definitely the God will help them all. 99% is from your side, 1% from the God side. But who is the God? The parents, the living gods. The living gods are the parents and the teachers. The children should understand the importance of these two living gods. If they develop this good character, definitely they can do well in their future life. So my dear children and my dear friends, it is an occasion for you all to get honor. So I really appreciate the effort made by the family of this Kendriya Vidyalaya RWF Yelahanka to honor these students and recognizing their talent and see that they are going to further do well in their future life. So I am really happy to see a wonderful arrangements and really I have to express my sincere thanks to our friend Sri P. C. Raju. I always likes to work with him. I always want to have a company with him. I never miss. It may be an inspection or it may be a celebration or it may be any program, because he is such an organizer. He take care of everything. He is the one. He is really asset to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So because of his talent and other effort and his meticulous planning, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has recognized and given a regional incentive award. So on behalf of my KV family, on my own behalf, I congratulate you, sir, and I wish you to get the national award, and further you have to grow in your career, and I want to see you as in the higher profession. And at the same time, the working in the project sector cool is also very, very fantastic. I worked in Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Tikona, which was coming under the project. We used to get all kind of a support. Really, it is a fantastic to work. They are ready to extend all kind of cooperations that will help, that will boost the confidence of the administrator. So really, they have done a wonderful supporting work to this, even though it is a small Vidyalaya compared to my Vidyalaya, but the talent and the appreciations what I have seen in today's program is really wonderful. I wish them, all the participants and the prize winners, good luck. I hope the things will continue, and in the future this Vidyalaya will grow up to a higher state. And I want to see that this Vidyalaya is also a top Vidyalaya in not only in Bangalore region, in entire Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan organizations all over India. So with this word, I conclude my speech, and I wish you all good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inspiring speech. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the first segment of this evening's program. The second segment will commence within a few minutes. Please bear with us, ladies and gentlemen. I know it is tough to wait even for a second to see the cultural program, but I can promise you one thing. I can promise you are going to have a bash. You are going to see your wards perform the performance which you might have never observed earlier. So I can hear the turbulence. I can hear everybody saying we cannot wait anymore. But we need to wait a minute or so, maybe 5 minutes, to arrange this stage, and then we start with the next part of the program, that is the cultural program. Today we have a rainbow of cultural program prepared under the able stewardship of our versatile teachers. You are going to have a very brilliant evening. That is a promise, ladies and gentlemen. Before I hand over the mic to the anchors of the evening, let me tell you, hold your breath. You will definitely have a great bash. You will remain awe-stricken to see the display of talents of your words. Rediscover them, redefine them, know them once again. I'm sure you're going to have a brilliant evening. As we go into the second segment of the program, I make an announcement once again. I had already made this announcement earlier also. Our honorable, versatile, and definitely a great friend of the young students, Sri P.C. Raju sir, the principal of this Vidyalaya, leaves no stones unturned to see that children have the best, parents have the best, and all the best is there at KVRWF Yelahanka. As I already announced earlier, a photograph counter has been opened here to the right of the stage, in front of the PET room. I had announced earlier, the tags are there, the photographers are there. You will get all that you require, all photographs you require from that counter on payment of whatever the cost is. We request parents not to come over in front of the stage with either mobile phones or cameras for photographs. I know, I'm sure about it. Every one of you would like to have a memory of your child performing on this dais. You can have all the memories that you want, from the first program to the last, at the counter there. You can go in between program and ask for the photographs. You can take the photographs at the end of the day, and also there will be available CDs and DVDs of the whole program at the counter. Contact the counter and keep your memories intact. You will miss nothing, I can promise that. But kindly see, I humbly request from this dais, kindly see that nobody comes up to the forefront of the stage, because in that way we disturb the other audience. Thank you for being with us in the first segment of the show. Hold your breath, give us 5 to 7 minutes to start with the next part. Thank you.
We dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for hope, we dance for scream. We are KVNs, we create dreams. A very good evening to one and all present here. Shubh Sandhya.
मंगल है ये आज की बेला, शुभ है आगमन आपका, स्वागत पर स्वीकार करें, कार्य शुभ आशीष दे। धन्य तो है कि आप पधारे, धन्य हुआ यह तन और मन।
Yes, indeed. When the evening sun slowly sinks into the horizon, the stars of KVRWF are already twinkling, ready to shine on the stage with their colorful cultural extravaganza.
इंतजार रहता है इतने दिन से तेरा, इंतजार रहता है इतने दिन से तेरा, कब से मैं बैठूं या आस पाले कि कब शुरू होगा यह कार्यक्रम हमारा। हे यार, बहुत इंतजार हो गया, अब मुझसे और इंतजार नहीं होगा। क्या कोई मुझे बताएगा कि हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र क्या प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं?
Just wait and watch. We have got everything from music to dance to drama, dear.
That means this chilly December evening is going to be warm and exciting.
हम जानते हैं आप हैं कितना बेकरार, हम जानते हैं आप हैं कितना बेकरार, बस कुछ पलों का है इंतजार, फिर शुरू होगा ये कार्यक्रम एकदम धमाकेदार।
हमरो जीवन तिमरो कौशली, इसका मतलब यह है कि हम अपने छोटे छोटे हाथ जोड़कर हमारा जीवन अच्छाइयों के लिए समर्पित करते हैं। भगवान का आशीर्वाद ऐसा कुछ होता है जो सोचने से पूरा हो जाए और एक घुट मांगने से पूरा सागर मिल जाए। इस शाम को और रोमांचक बनाने के लिए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं भगवान का आशीर्वाद लेते हुए।
Now let us have an auspicious start to the show. Here on stage is a classical dance in praise of Lord Ganesha.
Thank you.
हमारे पुराणों में भी लिखा है, अतिथि देवो भव, अतिथि नाम पूजक स्यात्। अतिथि भगवान के समान है। अतिथि का आदर करना, सम्मान करना, यही हमारी संस्कृति है। विद्यालय वार्षिक के इस पावन अवसर पर हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र अतिथि का स्वागत करने हेतु कुछ प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
And expression. Aren't you guys eager to know what it is? Well, it is a Tamil folklore. Tamil folklore, guys, from the land of our superstar Rajini Anna.
from the lands of superstar, who welcome our little stars.
माइक नहीं काम कर रहा, अब माइक ही काम नहीं कर रहा, मैं क्या करूं? भाई, यार मैम गुस्से में है।
मैम देख रही है हम लोग को। छोड़ दे,
हमारी गलती क्या है यार? माइक काम नहीं किया तो
छोड़ दे।
माइक काम नहीं किया।
इसको कुछ सॉन्ग ही नहीं बज रहा है अभी।
I shall make the most of it. I would like to address the basic question that comes to the minds of most students, especially say from standard 9 and above. A typical chain of thoughts in the minds of the young friends goes something like this. If I am going to study science and engineering thereafter, which seems to be the most popular choice today, why should I study history, civics or literature for that matter? Why am I learning, or rather being made to learn all this? Will it be of any use to me ever? If yes, then how? Before we delve into this issue further, I would like to quote a report that appeared recently in the Indian Express on 14th of December regarding a survey of the 8th standard students carried out by NCERT, covering over 6,700 schools, over 24,000 teachers, and more than 1.8 lakh students across the country. And I quote from the report, 69% do not know what triggered the Swadeshi movement. 74% were unaware of the key components of the Indian Constitution. 55% think that Supreme Court is part of the Indian Parliament. And 50% are clueless as to why oxygen is essential for human life. Unquote. Also, we have been hearing about the reports from corporates mentioning how a significant number of our engineering graduates are unemployable because they lack the necessary skills which the employers are looking for. To me, it appears quite alarming and calls for introspection by the teachers, the students and their parents. Education is a process which is intended to equip all young adults to take on the world. What exactly do we mean by this? It means to equip yourself with all the skills, the knowledge, the techniques, or by whatever name you call it, so that we can meet the challenges of the future. In the age of information technology, a very large variety of skills are required. The academic curriculum will equip you with the verbal, quantitative, analytical and creative skills, along with basic content of different branches of knowledge, be it literature, the social sciences, the pure sciences, mathematics, art, etc. On the other hand, the co-curricular activities will equip you with many soft skills such as organization skills, team building, presentation of ideas and clarity, so on. It is in this context that the study of the subjects in the curriculum and participation in as many co-curricular activities as possible will go a long way in making you a complete human being who is not only a good citizen but also can contribute to nation building. A word of advice to my young friends: unlike the generation that went to the schools in 60s, 70s and even 80s of the last century, you all have a sea of opportunities. You also have the resources and the platform to explore them. We are living in an age where knowledge on any subject is just a click away. Therefore, explore and discover as much as you can. See what you love to do most and gauge how far in life you can take it. Remember, choice of career is guided by a number of forces, all of which may not be in your control at all times. Nevertheless, do not fall prey to following the crowd. Chalk out your own path and go with confidence. Famous British journalist Catherine Whitehorn puts it very elegantly, and I quote, "Find what you like doing the best and get someone to pay for you for doing it," unquote. Develop your own personality, Choose what you think is best suited for you, at least for the next 5 to 10 years. Plan and work hard to achieve it. With these words, I would like to congratulate you all. I also wish best of luck for your forthcoming examination and even better luck for the biggest examinations of all, that is the life itself. Thank you. Jai Hind.
झूम के नभ को छूते पेड़ चूम के, इंद्रधनुष बनवाते बादल, सबको खुश कर जाते बादल। कुछ ऐसा ही है 5 नदियों का स्थान का नृत्य, पंजाब का नृत्य। हर एक राज्य में अपना ही एक नृत्य होता है जो लोगों के दिलों में बसा रहता है। भांगड़ा भांगड़ा ऐसा नृत्य है जो आप सबको झूमने पर मजबूर कर देगा। तो चलिए पंजाब दा भांगड़ा का आनंद उठाएं।
गोड़ी नालों इश्क मिठा, ओ गोड़ी नालों इश्क मिठा, हाय हाय रब्बा लगना किसे नू जावे। गोड़ी नालों इश्क मिठा, ओ गोड़ी नालों इश्क मिठा, ओ गोड़ी नालों इश्क मिठा, हाय हाय रब्बा लगना किसे नू जावे। गोड़ी नालों इश्क मिठा।
Yeah.
उठा। Be the change you wish to see in your world. If you change yourself, you'll change the way you think and what actions you take, and so does the world around you will change. Hey Rakshita, what happened? Why have you become so philosophical suddenly? How? Philosophical? Me? Oh please, I'm way more cool, alright?
The Kiwians are always socially aware. Can they miss such a beautiful vision in this wonderful evening? They say they're going on a garbage diet to fulfill the dreams of father of the nation, Bapuji.
Garbage diet?
Oh yes, one man's trash is another man's treasure.
हम फेंकते हैं हर जगह, हम फेंकते हैं हर जगह, देखते नहीं वो जगह, फिर भी कहते हैं स्वच्छ भारत है हर जगह। तो आइए देखते हैं क्या स्वच्छ भारत है हर जगह।
Just we'll be having another 5 programs. We could able to see some of the parents after completing our program, you are taking your children and just proceeding to your home for cooking.
Mom, put it back.
I request parents till the end of the program, you must be here. Simply do not encourage your child, you must also encourage all other children. Because my children, they have taken a lot of pains. 1 month they did this practice and today they are performing. So I request all the parents, ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಯಜಮಾನರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ till the end you. Thank you, Nandal.
They are also aware of the cleanliness, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They are more aware of it, and see they are here to present to you a short skit on Swachh Bharat.
Good evening, friends. It's rightly said that cleanliness is next to godliness. Here are students of KVRWF presenting a small skit based on how to manage garbage and waste. The scene begins in the lane.
ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ MLA ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಳೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖ ಏನಿತ್ತರೋ ನಮ್ಮ MLA ಸಾಹೇಬರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. हे भगवान, मेरी गाय को क्या हो गया? 10 दिन से बीमार दिख रही थी. मैंने सोचा था कि ठीक हो जाएगी. कितना अच्छा खुले बाजार में खा के बाल्टी भर दूध देने वाली गाय आज उठ भी नहीं रही है. हे भगवान, मैं क्या करूं? किसको बताओ? मेरा कोई सहारा नहीं है, न पति का न बच्चों का. हे भगवान, मेरा क्या होगा? क्या हुआ अम्मा? क्या हो गया अम्मा? क्या हुआ? क्यों रो रही हो अम्मा?
क्या करती क्या?
मैं क्या करूं? मेरी गाय उठ नहीं रही है. भगवान ने मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों किया? आप अपने गाय को डॉक्टर के पास नहीं ले गई थी? डॉक्टर के पास नहीं गई थी. डॉक्टर साहब कह रहे हैं कि मेरी गाय प्लास्टिक खाकर बीमार पड़ गई है. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. चलो डॉक्टर से मिलते हैं. रुको, मैं मेरी प्रिय गाय को एक बार देख के तो आती हूँ. प्लास्टिक भी है. यही खाकर बीमार पड़ गई होगी वो गाय.
यहाँ कितने मच्छर भी हैं।
हे मेरी गाय मर गई, मेरी गाय मर गई, मेरी गाय मर गई।
चलो चलो डॉक्टर से मिलते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर।
Good morning, good morning. What's the matter, Amma? What happened? How is your cow?
साहब आपने क्या दवाई दी, मेरी गाय तो चल बसी।
I knew it, Amma. I knew it yesterday only. It's all the garbage stuff around here and your carelessness too. You have often left your cow wander all around and eat whatever it wants. It had already consumed a large amount of plastic, Amma. Plastic. I tried some medicine, but it did not work. Your cow suffocated to death. I'm so sorry, Amma. I'm so sorry.
Okay doctor, we'll take your leave now.
Doctor Enandrama.
चुप हो जाओ, we will tell you what happened.
डॉक्टर साहब कह रहे हैं कि मेरी गाय प्लास्टिक ही खाकर मर गई है। हाँ हाँ प्लास्टिक, देखो कितना प्लास्टिक है आसपास।
ಸಾಯ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ವಾಸ್ತೆ ಯಪ್ಪ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸಾಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಬೇಡಮ್ಮ, ನೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಬೇಡ. ನಮ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ದಾರಿ ನೋಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ. What happened, Amma? Why are you crying? Why is she crying?
Amma lost a cow today morning. The cow died eating plastic. It was her only means of survival.
She does not have anybody to take care of her.
Nor she has any other means of survival.
Okay, I'll get her a compensation from the government side. This is the problem of our locality. And Amma, you two are responsible for this. Your cow was seen grazing in this marketplace. We have to do something about this. Let's start the cleaning of our locality first. ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಕಸಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. Okay then, let's start with the family project. Every family will have their own waste management project and the best one will be rewarded.
Family project. Great idea.
Okay, but when do we start?
The earlier the better. Let's start from this Sunday, the 20th of this month, 10 a.m. sharp. I want all of you to participate. Every family should join.
Okay.
The cleanliness drive starts.
घर ही नहीं गलियां भी, सड़कें ही नहीं नालियां भी, कस्बे ही नहीं बस्तियां भी, ए भाई गंदगी की जो है वो तेरा घर नहीं, बंगला नहीं, कोठी नहीं, गार्डन नहीं, बेडरूम नहीं, बिस्तर नहीं, इंडिया है।
What is the human brain? The human brain is the center of the human nervous system.
ಭಾಗೋ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ MLA ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಶುರು ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಭಾಗಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ MLA ಸಾಹೇಬರು 10,000 ಬಹುಮಾನ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. A day later at Karan's house.
Dear, have you heard about the cleanliness drive in our locality tomorrow?
Yes, I heard. Well, why don't you go to the office a little later? Joseph and Maria will join you.
Okay, no issues.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಅವ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಸ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಾನು ಕಸ ಬಿಸಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Oh my God, Vani, how many times do I tell you not to throw the garbage in the same old basket? Impossible you are.
Now remember, Vani, newspaper in one pile. There are cans for deposit, no deposit cans. Bottles for deposit, no deposit bottles. Plastic
food, scrap.
ನನ್ಗದೆಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಸ ಈ ಕಸ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ.
It's important, Vani. If we won't do something about it, we are going to face a serious problem.
ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ ಕಸ ನೀವೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Take this and go.
ಆಹಾ ನಾನು ಎತ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Take this and go.
What did you say? Serious problem? Like what?
For one thing, we won't have any place to put it. For another, it really hurts the water.
Mic is on now.
Oh, that's not our problem, is it?
Not you too, Maria.
Hey kids, it's letting it. You have to get up early in the morning. Good night, dear.
Good night, Mom.
The next day, Aunt Alice and grandmother come to visit. Ting tong, ting tong. Who's this at this hour?
Alice, what a great surprise, Mama.
Hello, my dear. Mom, you too? Come in, Mom. Have a seat. Well, kids are going on a garbage diet. Oh, yes. We decided to segregate the waste, but I have no idea what to do with it.
I'll give you an idea, dear. You know what? At my times, we use a compost pile.
Compost pit? Yes. I got one of those. Let me explain you how to use it. See, what I did was I just threw the food and the leftovers in the bin in the corner of my backyard. And then later, when it grew and became manure, I put it on my flowers. Sure makes them grow. Well, I don't want a smelly pile of garbage rotting in my backyard. No, dear. I guess you're mistaken. See, it is not smell at all until and unless someone remembers to turn it out with a shovel every month or more often if you've got time. Oh, yes. Did you see the electricity bill? It has gone up to 2,000 rupees. Now Papa will come and shout at us. What? 2,000? Oh my God!
2,000. Yes, my dear, it's a very serious issue. This problem can be solved.
How, Mom?
Yes, it can be solved with the method of compost pile which you are deciding to make. This compost pile can be converted to a biogas plant, from which a direct connection can be given to your electricity pole. This will glow up to 3 or 4 bulbs. Yes, you heard me right, 3 or 4 bulbs. And this will reduce your electricity bill.
Oh!
Yes. And the next time you get your electricity bill, please don't forget to show me.
Sure, Mom. Mom, what is this? What is it now, Maria? The gas in the kitchen is over. Joseph's friend is coming. What will we serve him now? What? I just got a new cylinder 20 days before, and you people know if I book it today, then it will come. Oh my God, I have no idea what to do. It seems to me that you people in cities have a lot of garbage problems than in other places.
But dear, this problem also can be solved.
Again, how, Mom?
Yes, again with the same old technique, the biogas plant, which you are deciding to make, from which a direct connection can be given to your kitchen, and this will become your cooking gas.
But Mom, isn't the biogas plant a bit expensive?
Expensive? I have no idea about it, my dear.
No, dear, you're wrong. See, I'm going to the net, and it's given that government gives financial aid to set up a biogas plant, and thus you can approach the government and your problems get solved. Oh yeah.
Wow, that's a great scheme.
Yes. Joseph, come here. Yes, Mom. Take this money and this list. Go get some snacks for your friend Nehal. Okay, Mom.
Joseph?
Yes, Grandma.
What are you taking along with you, my dear?
Nothing. Why should I take something? The shopkeeper will give me a plastic bag.
Plastic? I suggest you to take a jute bag along with you.
Jute bag. That $10 is old-fashioned, Grandma. Who carries that?
I agree, my dear, that jute bag is old-fashioned. But at my times when we used these, we were free of these plastics.
Just have a look at this kitchen. See, all the plastic bags are piled up in the corner. And don't you think that if you use a jute bag, all these plastic bags can be avoided?
And Joseph, don't you want to be free of these plastics? Yes, I want to free of this. So take this.
Okay, Grandma. Wow, Grandma, you're so smart. She's not smart, Maria. She's just old.
Joseph was right. People learn by making mistakes. The older you are, the more mistakes you have made and the more you have learned.
Yes, yes.
In the evening, the doorbell rings. Ting tong, ting tong. Oh, Nihal, it's you. Come in. Joseph, it's your friend Nihal. Hey, Nihal. Hi, Joseph. Want to go to play? Yes, but first I should go through our garbage pail. Your garbage pail? Yeah. It's his everyday's work. You should go see whether Vani has dumped the garbage, segregating the wet and the dry. We are in a garbage bag. Garbage bag? Ooh, some people are weird. It's not weird, Nihal. You want clean water, don't you? Well, sure, I guess. Nihal, come to our compost pit we made in the backyard. Now what's that? It is where we throw all our food waste, leaves and all that breaks down. These are collected and left to rot. And that terrible smell? I would prefer them in plastic bag. No, Nihal, it won't smell. Come and see. Yeah, you are right. It doesn't smell. I can't believe it. And Nihal, see our garden. Oh, it's so beautiful. Very beautiful. But what does compost to do with it? Here is the magic. All that we collected works with our care. And finally, it is used as manure for our garden. And the result is this. Isn't it a treat for your eye? Of course. And Nihal, not only that, by modifying this compost pit into a biogas plant, we can also save electricity from this. And by giving a direct connection to our kitchen, we can also use it as cooking gas.
Yes, people, all of you heard us right. One solution for every problem. This can give you free electricity. Secondly, give you manure. Third, give you cooking gas. And the point which is to be noted here is you're going to get everything free of cost. Not even paying a single penny.
And of course, even the silent animals can be saved, you know.
And you can enjoy a cleaner, greener city.
ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೋನಾ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ MLA ಸಾಹೇಬರು 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೇಳ್ರ